Chocolate chip cookies. Everybody loves them, but not everybody likes to bake them from scratch. Today I'm going to show you how to put together Ragged Coast Chocolate Baking Company's chocolate chip cookie mix. I'm Kate Schaefer and I'm the owner and founder of Ragged Coast Chocolates, an award-winning confectionery that I grew from a small one-woman home-based business into a vibrant manufactory where we ship our confections all the way around the world. I've spent 30 years in and around professional kitchens, the last 20 specializing in chocolate, and I love my job. My hope with this channel is that I inspire both home cooks and professionals to use chocolate with a little less frustration and a lot more joy. Welcome to the Ragged Coast Kitchen. Chocolate chip cookies, let's do it. This is the Ragged Coast Baking Company chocolate chip cookie mix. The mix makes about 2 dozen 2.5-inch cookies, and it is super easy to put together, and I'm going to show you how. All right, you need cookie mix, 4 ounces of melted and cooled butter, 1 egg, and optional vanilla extract. All right, so we're going to take our 1 egg and put it into our mixing bowl. Going to whisk it up. Pour in our melted and cooled butter. Make sure it's cooled. Make sure that's mixed really well. We're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir that in. Add the baking mix. And use a stiff spoon or a stiff spatula to stir this up. If it's easier for you to use your stand mixer with the paddle attachment, you can use that too. I want to get a nice soft dough. You want 2 cookie sheets, either greased or lined with parchment paper. And I use a 2 tablespoon scoop. So this is 2 tablespoons of cookie dough. All right, I'm gonna put these in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes at 375. I like my chocolate chip cookies warm from the oven. There are lots of different schools of thought on this. I have a friend who swears by ice cold chocolate chip cookies. Ew, sorry. I like it warm from the oven, and so these came out of the oven about 10 minutes ago. I'm about to give these babies a try. Always a glass of milk. I think that melted butter gives it a nice crisp exterior with a chewy interior, which is my ideal cookie. Gotta take a sip of milk to get the full, oh yeah, big chocolate flavor, buttery cookie. Do you like this video? Give it a like. And if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. If you make this recipe, definitely give me some feedback. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, this is Kate from the Ragged Coast Kitchen.